Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create a free UK to US number for free. This is absolutely free. It can work anywhere. So let's go to first. All you need to do now is go to your Play Store. Let's search for Play Store and search. Yeah, I've already searched it before, but I'll do it for just for your sake. Temp number. Okay, the name of the app is Temp Number. So here it is right here. In case you are wondering, I'm going to be marking it out. Here it is here. Temp number with this app. So all you need to do now is click on it. I'm sorry, okay. You need to click on it, install, wait for it to download for a bit. Okay, it's still loading. Now, I guess my network is not that fast. Okay, still loading. Let's wait for it to load for a bit. Yeah, let's install. Let's install. Okay, this number is totally working for every single thing you need, whether it's to receive text, to receive SMS, to receive message, or to verify your WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Okay, now all you have to do now is click allow. This is the app, temp number eSIM. So now you have to log in. They will ask you to log in. As you can read, log in or create an account to access exclusive features and enhance your app experience. This is just asking you to log in. So since this is the first time you are logging into the app, this first time you are downloading app, you need to create an account first. I've already created an account before. I have an account on this app, but for the sake of you guys, I'm going to create a new account. You need your email, so this is my email address or the email I'll be using. Then you click sign in. Okay, you will say that it can't get a sign in for you, but now all you have to do is go to your email and find the OTP that is sent. So I'm going to go to my email and find the OTP. Okay, I've gotten the OTP. Okay, I copied it on my dashboard, as you can see, 348553. So now you click verify. This is it. Avoid problems. I'm in Nigeria, so well, you can choose any country that you are staying, but I'm in Nigeria, so just put your address. Let me say number 15 Zaro Road, enter your city, which is Kaduna. Okay, Kaduna. Then yeah, this is Kaduna. Then the zip code, and submit. That's it. You've created your account. Okay, hold on, it's not over yet. So now there are a list of different things you need to understand about this app. There are public numbers, there are private numbers, where you can get your numbers from. Okay, public numbers here, I'll start with the private numbers. These are exclusive, yours, your only account. Okay, only you are using this, but the problem about this, you have to pay for it, and most times they are not available. As you can see here, there's no one available right now. Okay, here, okay, you can see a list of USA numbers here. This is about $2.99 per month. That's about, in Nigeria currency, it will be about around 4,000, I think 4,000. So these are the list of US numbers, but these ones are, you need to pay for them. But here, that's public numbers. These are totally free. You can use this for free. But the issue is this: you are not the only one using this. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, we'll check for a UK number. Let's just use a US number. For example, these are US numbers available right now. So look at this. See these different messages. These are different people using this app. There's an ad now. Let's okay. These are different people using these apps, using this same number. This, as you can see, verification message, different messages. Okay. The secret to this is that wherever you are using it to verify, only you know what you are using it for, and your verification message can only last at least 10 to 15 minutes, so you can use it and keep the number. No one is going to use it to do anything with you. Just use it safely and use it well. So do not use it for something that can be hacked or by the number. Okay, use it wisely. But these numbers are working totally. You can use it to receive your text, verify your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you want to do. Okay, so these are free. This is how you can get it. If you love this video, please give a follow, like, and give a follow. Thank you very much.